Hello, this tutorial will help you fill out the research initial submission. If you have any questions, please email me at dyerby@parker.edu. To begin, let's identify the primary Parker investigator. You will click the drop-down box and you will pick out your name. If your name is not listed, you will email the research department with your first and last name and your department. Next, you will put in your Parker email address and the title of your project. Next, we will identify if you have internal collaborators. This will be other Parker faculty investigators. You can click yes, and you can identify them in the drop-down box below. If you do not see their name listed, feel free to email the research department with their first and last name and the department they work in. You will have the option of picking out 10 investigators. If you are done identifying the investigator, you'll leave the next spot blank. If you choose no, then you will not have the option of identifying Parker research investigators. The same goes for external collaborators. You will have a drop-down box that you will identify who the external collaborators are. If you do not see their name, you will email the research department with the name of the external collaborator and their institutional affiliation. This would be if they are private practice, work at Palmer University, or whatnot. And if you choose no, you do not have the option of adding. For regulatory items, we want to know if this study requires PHRP training. PHRP training is required for investigators and key personnel designing or conducting human subject research. If you need PHRP training, please go to Chiropractic Research at MyParker. Next, we would like to identify if you have an IRB. If you do not require an IRB, you will hit the appropriate buttons. If you have submitted and the item is approved, then you can add in the IRB approval number. Next, we would like to know if this study requires any specific registry completion. All clinical trials must be registered by the research department with clinicaltrials.gov. You will work closely with the research department to get this completed. If you have a systematic review, the primary investigator will register this with Prospero. If you would like more information, you can go to Chiropractic Research on MyParker page. Last is please describe current authorship plans for the manuscript or presentations that result from this study. We have listed below the requirements for authorship. Next, we would like to know a little bit more about the project. How would you describe your project? Is it a clinical research, educational research, or health service research? And who initiated this project? Was it initiated by a Parker faculty, a DC student, or a prior student, another institution, or Parker Research Institute? And please provide your study timeline. We have examples here on the left that will help guide you. If there's any special information you would like to let us know about the study, right here will be the spot that you would put it, if it's a Carl project, etc., etc. Please identify the type of financial support. If it is internal funding, please specify. And for the last item, we would like to know if you need any help. We have items listed here: protocol design, data collection, data analysis, or manuscript preparation, or other. If you do not need any help, please press none and you are ready to submit your information. And remember, if you have any questions, contact the research department or Destiny Yerby, D. Yerby, at parker.edu. Thank you.